I am going to discuss an important topic, that is cellular network. First, scientist known as radio communication. It was invented by Marconi in the year 1983. At the stage of 1940, nothing but walkie-talkie is the first phone that was used in US military. Later in the year 1947, AT&T Bell Laboratories, there been introduced transistor. In the year 1979, by Sweden, Denmark, they used it to introduce the wireless telegraph. Next, walkie-talkie, cordless phone, next cell phone. Later, this is the generations. About generations, first generation, the voice recognition of data is being on analog technology. Nothing but AMPS, advanced mobile phone systems. Next one is 2G, the voice recognition of a data by using on digital technology. They are used the first US by TDMA technology, time division multiple access. Last 3G, it is a high voice recognition of data. They used GPRS, nothing but general purpose radio services. General packet radio services. In that they used CDMA also, code division multiple access. Later in fourth generation, mobiles are been utilized. Examples used to connect laptops with USBs. Internet are being developed at the time of fourth generation. What is meant by cell? Nothing but it is a geographical cellular network. It is a geographical cellular network in having an antenna with hexagonal shape. What is meant by cluster? Cluster means it is a group of cells, 7 cells or 4 cells. In this, the frequency cannot be reused. What meant by frequency reuse? Nothing but in this, the frequency are subdivided. Nothing but spectrum are subdivided and given to individual subscribers. Next one, what is meant by, in this we are having cells. Cells are and what is meant by types of cells? It is classified into 3 types: macro cell, micro cell, another one is picocell. What is meant by macro? It is used to coverage of 6 miles in diameter. It mainly used in cities. In this, they used a high power transmitter as well as receiver circuits. Whereas it is used to cover half mile in diameter, used in urban. In this low power transmitter as well as receiver are used. Whereas in pico, its coverage is mainly depends upon buildings as well as tunnel. Another one is components of cellular network. There are three components: BTS, BST, another one is MSC. BTS means bus transceiver station. BSC bus service center. MS means mobile switching center. These three are interlinked. Nothing but in a bus transfer station, it is used to transmit as well as receive the signals. In this high power transmitter as well as high power receiver are in use. In bus service, it is used as a communication path between BTS and BSC by using microlink, or another one is copper cables. In switching, mobile switching center, it acts as a coordinator in between BSC mobile station center and MSC. Nothing but they used optical fibers or copper cables in order to transmit the information. Another one is important that means home location register, vision location register, another one is equipment link register. These three are being depend upon cellular network. Home location means it is used to store data permanent. It is used to store data temporarily. Nothing but in home location register, nothing but data is to be stored permanent. Nothing but it is used for location, activity, as well as call forwarding, all been stored. Whereas data temporarily means while we are changing the address from one location to another location, these are being stored in vision location register. Another one is equipment means every phone is recognized by EMA number. Another important topic, important in this cellular network is there have been components that are, first one is radio, another one is antenna, another one is control circuit, another one is machine control, another one is SIM, another one is battery. These are main components. Radio means it is used to provide a low transmit and receives the signal. Antenna means this is the inner part of a cell phone. Control circuit means it is used to transfer data to and fro between MSC mobile station centers. Another one is machine control means it is used to control the entire circuit of cellular network. Another one is a SIM, it is an integrated circuit. store information of an subscriber. Another one is battery. It is a lithium battery to charge particular phone or a cell phone. Basic, the roaming is used to depends on several GSM, TDMA, FDMA, GPS, whereas it may be cell phones are used for voice communication, data communication, as well as service, as well as internet protocols using Wi-Fi networks. This is a basic introduction what we covered so far. Again, this is the basic introduction of cellular network. Okay, thank you.